Are you looking for the best homeowner tool set? In this video, we will break down the top 6 homeowner tool sets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1. Crescent CTK 170 CMP2 Tool Set. The sturdier blow-molded case is durable and holds an assortment of hand tools used in most home, industrial, and mechanical purposes. The entire set has been updated to have the newest and better quality Crescent screwdrivers, its favorite forever. This set provides tang sizes of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive tools, both SAE and metric. The drive type is 6 and 12 point. The tools conform to the strict ANSI and ASME specifications with a full satisfaction guarantee. Plus, the dimensions when the case is closed are 16.20 inches long, 19.100 inches wide, 3.60 inches high. The weight of the tools in the case is 22 pounds. Gift wrapping is available for your tool-loving family or friends. You will receive instructions. Crescent hand tools are warranted for life to be free of defects in material and workmanship. At number 2. Stanley STMT 73795 Tools Kit. For the most part, mechanic sets have just a few different tools to get the job done. However, if you want a more complete tool set, then you will want something like this from Stanley. Rather than focusing on sockets and Allen wrenches, you get a versatile and varied mix of different components. What makes this set so reliable is that each piece is made of chrome vanadium. They are also coated to help prevent rust and corrosion, so this set should last you for years without any issues. As with other Stanley products, you can be sure that these tools are going to be resilient and reliable. As far as variety goes, here are some of the tools you can expect from this set. First, there are the standard ratchets and combination wrenches. In addition, you get several flathead screwdrivers, as well as a combination screwdriver for added versatility. Overall, whether you're a mechanic, a DIYer, or any other professional, this tool set is one of the most versatile options you can find. While it may not be ideal for some specific jobs, it's a perfect way to be prepared for almost anything. At number 3. Black Plus Decker LDX 120 PK Tools Kit. This tool set has 68 pieces plus the accessory set. BDA 91109 comes with the lithium-ion drill and other tools. You can also select just the drill/project set, accessory set, project kit with a circular saw, project kit with a jigsaw, project kit with a reciprocating saw, or project kit with the sander. The battery shows a 20-volt max type at 1.30 W/H. The battery charger input is 110 to 120 volt, 50 to 60 Hz, 300 milliamperes. The charger plugs into a USA and Canada 110 to 120 volt receptacle. Also, you get 68 hand tools, accessories, and a carrying case for storage and transportation. The 3/8 inch chuck is made of metal, not plastic, for firm tightening. There is a LED light at the back of the barrel to help you see when drilling into low light areas. The drill head is magnetized to hold the screw head in. At number 4. Decapro ET00654 Tool Kit. The Decapro 168-piece socket wrench mix tool set is the one-stop kit for all your DIY projects. Made with high-quality steel, the Deco Pro tools are all made to last for a long time and are resistant to rust. With 168 pieces, you are assured that you have all the tools you need to carry out most small tasks. Included in the set are 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch metric-sized sockets, along with a precision screwdriver, pliers, hammer, wrench, tape measure. Also added to the kit is a very versatile 72-tooth ratchet, which changes direction pretty swiftly and can be used in tight spaces. However, this mixed tool set comes with a plastic toolbox storage case. It contains all the brilliant tools needed for primary DIY projects and home repairs. The diamond-shaped design of this kit makes it unique. At number 5. Amazon Basics K12 Tool Kit Set. This tool set includes all the essentials and provides great value for the money. It looks good and is easy to handle. This tidy but useful hand tools kit contains 65 tools that are perfect for any typical home repairs and DIY work. It has all the basics and each item is of above-average quality too. It comes with a solid 13-ounce hammer, standard and needle nose pliers, a 16-foot tape measure, a trim little set of mechanics tools, screwdrivers, and a level, among other items. As you expect from the Amazon Basics brand, these tools are of decent quality considering the price. This set is also notable for its carrying case. The soft-sided bag-style carrier features both a handle and a shoulder strap, making it remarkably easy to move around with your tools. At number 6. DeWalt DWMT 73801 Tool Set. This 108-piece set features a quick-release, 72-tooth ratchet for high-torque ratcheting and a knurled control ring. It includes 2 pair head ratchets and several different sockets, extensions, and adapters. The sockets feature direct torque technology to help prevent rounding of fasteners and to provide better grip. The set also contains a durable, anti-slip, vinyl grip bit driver for maximum comfort. The ratchets feel durable and solid, and the quality of the sockets and ratchet handles is great. The sockets do the job well and are tough and durable. The pieces are firmly set in the case and will not fall out or roll around. The product is perfect for working on cars, motorcycles, appliances, and other items in your home, particularly if you're a novice mechanic and are looking for a good quality starter kit. Also, there have been some complaints that there are not enough sockets for each size, whether 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch, and it may not be as useful for the seasoned mechanic. Also, it can be difficult to remove the sockets in and out of the case, particularly in cold conditions. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.